Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? This is Nicole over at Financial Wealth and Success Builder, just bringing you another wonderful review on one of my passive income earnings that I've been doing lately. This is going to be my first time that I'm going to be doing a review for Daisy AI technology, EndoTech. They are a crowd-funded development platform that uses our money to help develop their EndoTech trading software, but they also do full-time trading to help out investors like us to make our money back of the money that we invest with the company. And so this is something that was brought to my table, and I've sincerely reviewed it, and I really have faith in this company to be around for a really long time and to make my profits back tenfold. So let's get started. All right, I joined this platform on March 30th, and I want to show you my back office today, and I wanted to also always set this disclaimer straight and clear that I am not a financial advisor to help you, give you financial advice. All I can do is tell you what I've been doing, what works for me, how I've been making money, sleeping passively, not even having to work, just putting my money into investment programs, and then they make money for me. A little bit about Daisy, so I'll just go through the bullet points here. Up to 10 crowdfunding tiers to choose from, starting at just $100. So I started off with, I went in and got from tier 1 to tier 5 in one day because I invested $3,100 on March 30th and wanted to see where it takes me, to see if I wanted to invest more money into this company. Every contributor gets their equal share of 5% EndoTech stock. I have 31 shares because I have $3,100 invested in it so far. But guys, I am going to be investing more because I know that I'm going to be making a lot more money over this platform than I might with any other platform long term. This is for me, it's been very low risk. 50 to 70% of each contribution is used in trading for development. So if you are not familiar with Daisy, then you should know that if you're in tiers 1 through 7, you are going to get 50% of your investment put into the crowdfunding and 50% into trading. But then when you get past 7 to 10, you will get 70% funded into your own trading account, and only 30% goes into the development of Daisy. And that's what I was saying right here. The 70% of the trading profits are rewarded back to the contributor. 15% of the trading profit are rewarded to the residual referral plan, and contributors can withdraw trading rewards at any time. This is also true because I did trade it out. If you do have any questions about any of this screen or anything that I go through, I'm going to give you my information at the end, so you can contact me. And then they also have amazing 46% referral plan as well. And then this shows you the smart contract between you, the user, and investor of Daisy, and the Daisy AI EndoTech platform. And it's called a smart contract, and it will automatically do what it's told to do because it is a smart contract. And if you have any questions what a smart contract is, you can definitely do a YouTube video on it and it would give you more information, or you can ask me for further information. But this is their setup of them paying out for referrals up to 46% if you refer people into your into your see right here, you'd be up here, and then you refer 3 people, and then they refer, each person refers 3 people. That's what it's kind of showing, and then you would get payouts up to 46%, and it's an amazing platform to just tell people about, because you want to tell people about, because you're actually making money from this platform. And then depending on what tier or matrix you're in, you'll get anywhere from 50 to 70% into a live trading account, so that you reward back for your crowdfunded contribution. Now this is a roadmap of Daisy from beginning to end. My recorder's in the way, but you can go see through every year that they have there. And then here you can see my back office. I open it up to you on my phone. I use my phone for Daisy. AI is super easy to look at it. Right here you can see that I have Windscribe. You have to use a VPN. I have Windscribe VPN. It's free. That's what I first do when I have to log into my TronLink. You have to have a TronLink wallet, and then you can see my TronLink wallet. I have $50 in there approximately, and then I go to the web browser there in the TronLink and go to Daisy from there. And you can see their live trading account is $77 million. Their contribution to Daisy is a little over $2 million right now. And you can see where I had put in, I put in $3,100, but 50% goes to crowdfunding. The other 50% goes into live trading for me. So you can obviously see that where I started at the end of March and the beginning of April, and how much I'm making, how much I contributed, how much I'm earning, how much I'm compounding. I took out $50 just to make sure that it was real so far, so I can take out another $193. So that means approximately in 1 month of just starting with Daisy without compounding, but a month's worth of compounds, I would make approximately $250. And this is just 1 month, guys, and this is just passively making money. So I really wanted to show you the truth, show you what's going on, show you how realistic this is, show you that how much they're trading, how much they earned in their back profits. And you can see from January to February and then now up to May how much they've been having in their trading account. You can see how much they've made in profits to their investors so far, and they're compounding P&L. So this is just a realistic, real live account that I had sent a video from my phone over to my desktop to show you this, because I don't use Daisy on desktop. I only use it on my phone. And once again, this is I can withdraw $93 at this time of showing this video. 193, and that is just the end. And last but not least, I really wanted to make this video very short for you and very, very basic. But if you need to know how to sign up, if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I have my phone number available at the very bottom of my WhatsApp. My name is, like I said, Nicole from Financial Wealth and Success Builder. And me and my husband both do these platforms and make a good amount of money from these. Take care. God bless.